Welcome back to online classes. So in first video already I explained the methods of calculating interest on partners drawings. So this is there in fundamentals of a partnership firm. So this is the basic concept. If any partner withdrawn the amount from the partnership firm business, so he has to pay the interest here. So that calculation of interest, there are three methods here: product method, average period method and direct method. For exam point of view, product and average period method is important. So in first video class, I have shown the calculation of interest if the partner withdrawn the amount for the full year. So in today's session, I will discuss the withdrawals only for the half year. If partner took the amount from the partnership firm business only for the half year. Example, Ram and Shyam are partners sharing profits and losses. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. While calculating the interest on partners drawings, ratio we have to ignore. So this ratio we have to ignore here. Now, Ram drew regularly ₹1000 on beginning of every month. So Mr. Ram, a partner, he has taken ₹1000 on beginning of every month for half year ending 30th/9/2020. So this is half year, 30th September. He has not withdrawn for the full year. So till 30th/9/2020, he has withdrawn the ₹1000. So calculate the interest on Ram's drawings at 6% per annum. Now first let us we work out under a product method. Under product method, first you have to insert the table. With the help of table you have to find out the total product. So total product, with the help of table you have to find out, that is date, amount, outstanding months, amount into outstanding. Now in date column you write down the dates. Say beginning of every month for the half year ending 30th/9/2020. So beginning of every month, that is 1/4/2020, next 1/5/2020, next 1/6/2020, 1/7/2020, 1/8/2020, next 1/9/2020. So beginning of every month for half year ending on 1/9/2020, he has taken ₹1000 for his personal use. So beginning of every month he has withdrawn ₹1000. Now the outstanding months. So this is a half year. So half year outstanding months we have to calculate up to 30th September. Now outstanding months 1/4/2020 to 30th/9/2020. So outstanding months you will get 6. So it means 6 months he has used ₹1000. And again 1/5 to 30th/9 5, 1/6 to 30th/9 4, 1/7 to 30th/9 3, 1/8 to 30th/9 2 and 1/9 to 30th/9 1. So these are outstanding months here. Now last column, amount into outstanding, you have to multiply 1000 into 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. Now this is the way to record the data. First a date. In date column you have to enter the dates. Next amount column you have to enter the amount, that is withdrawals amount, and outstanding months. Now amount into outstanding you got. So last you have to find out the total product. So total product is 21,000. So this is the first step. Now second step, you have to find out the interest here. Now Formula total product into rate. Rate means the rate of interest which has given in the question. So rate of interest how much? At 6% per annum. Now into 1 by 12. So total product is 21,000. Rate 6 by 100 into 1 by 12. So the answer is 105. This is the interest has to be paid by whom has to pay? Ram has to pay to partnership firm. So this is under product method. Now the same problem under average period method. See, under average period method, first you have to find out the average period. The formula longest outstanding months plus shortest outstanding months divided by 2. So longest is a 6 year, shortest is a 1. Now 6 plus 1 divided by 2. So 3.5. So total 7 divided by 2 is a 3.5. So this is the average period. Now come to the shortcut table. See, for half year, if withdrawals beginning, longest is a 6, shortest is a 1. If middle, longest 5.5, shortest 0.5. And next end, if a withdrawals at the end of every month, longest is 5, shortest is 0. So full year. So in first video session, I did these problems, withdrawals for the full year. If withdrawals for the full year beginning longest 12, shortest 1. Next middle 11.5, 0.5 and end 11 to 0. So this is the shortcut table. We can remember to calculate the average period. Now the second step, total drawings. So drawings amount into 6 months. So half year ending, let it be withdrawals at the beginning, middle, end. Let it be any case. So drawings amount, that is 1000 into 6, that is 6000. Let it be any case. The formula is same, drawings amount into 6000. Now third step is interest. Interest is equal to total drawings into average period into rate into 1 by 12. So total drawings is 6000, average period 3.5. So this is average period 3.5 into rate is 6 by 100 into 1 by 12. Total drawings 6000, average period is 3.5, the rate of interest 6 by 100 into 1 by 12. So answer is the same. So 105. So this is average period method. So under average period method, you have 3 steps. First we have to find out average period. Second we have to find out total drawings, and next the third you have to find out the interest here. So this is the simple way to calculate the interest on the partner's drawings. Got it? So this carries 6 marks. So next problem. See, Uma and Suma are partners in a firm. Uma drew rupees 3000. She has taken 3000 quarterly. So quarterly means once in a 3 months. In a year we will get 4 quarters. So at the beginning of each quarter. So Uma drew rupees 3000 quarterly, that is at the beginning of each quarter. So every beginning of each quarter she has taken 3000. Calculate the interest on Uma's drawings at 10% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2020. So this is year end. So year end 31st March 2020. So opening date will be 1/4/2019. So this is opening date and this is a year ending, that is closing date 31st March 2020. Now, so in a year you will get 4 quarters. So how to find out the quarters here? See, the first quarter 1/4/2019. So this is the first quarter. Again second quarter and 1/7. So beginning of each quarter. Next 18. Next 14, 17, 110, 11, 2020. So this is beginning of each quarter. So these dates you have to write here. Now, so product method. So beginning of each quarter, first quarter 1/4/2019, next 1/7/2019, next 1/10/2019, and next 1/1/2020. So these dates we have to write. Beginning of each quarter. Now, Uma, she has taken 3,000 at the beginning of each quarter. Now, outstanding months. So this is full year, 31st March. So outstanding months, we have to find out till 31st March. Now 1/4/2019 to 31st March, outstanding months are 12. So first she has used 3,000 for 12 months. Next again 1/7 to 31st March, how many months will you get? 9. Next 1/10 to 31st March, 6. And 1/1/2020 to 31st March, 3. So this is beginning of each quarter. Outstanding months 12, 9, 6, 3. Suppose if we get end of each quarter, so outstanding months will be 9, 6, 3, 0. Now amount into outstanding 3,000 into 12. Next
18.
Next 18. Next 9. So total product 90,000. Now first step we have to find out the total product. Now total product is 90,000. Now interest is equal to total product. Total product is 90,000 into 10/100 into 1/12. 750. So answer is 750. The formula total product into rate. Rate means the interest rate which has given in the question. So interest is 10% into 1/12. So answer is 750. Now the same under average period method. Under average period method, first we have to find out longest plus shortest outstanding divided by 2. That is, first we have to find out the average period. So highest plus the lowest divided by 2. Now the highest is 12, lowest is 3. See, quarterly, beginning of each quarter, longest is 12, shortest is 3. So 12 plus 3 divided by 2, 7.5. 7.5 is the average period. Now drawings, total drawings you have to find out. Drawings amount into 4. Why we have to take 4? Because in a year you will get to 4 quarters. We should not take 6 months and 12 months. So in a year we will get 4 quarters. Let it be beginning of each quarter or end quarter. So drawings amount into 4. So drawings amount is 3,000 into 4, 12,000. So this is total drawings. First step average period, second step total drawings. Now third step total drawings, that is interest you have to find out. Total drawings, how much total drawings? 12,000. Average period is 7.5 into 10/100 into 1/12. 750. So under product and average period method, you got the same answer. So this is the simple way to find out the interest on partners drawings. So So once again I will repeat. Under total product, under product method, first we have to find out the total product. So total product we have to find out with the help of this table. And second step, you have to find out the interest rate here, that is total product rate into 1 by 12. Next, under average period method, 3 steps we have. First, you have to find out average period. So average period, you have to remember the outstanding, that is shortcut table. So this is the table we have to remember. Next, total drawings, amount of drawings into 4, for full year 12, half year 6. Next, third step is interest here.